Good morning, everyone. Amy Conley here with United Way of Door County. It is Wednesday, and I say that for my reasons. Wednesday, February 26th. I was off a few days, had some vacation time with my mom and my aunt and uncle in Florida. So that was great. Really glad that our team here was able to just run with things, had a fabulous time with them. So here we are back at it. Let's see, we had the first happy painting session while I was gone. 9 folks attended that. I just downloaded some pictures last night. Looks great. We'll get that up. According to Carrie's email, we have just a few slots left. So once you see those photos that really anyone can paint, and you're interested in signing up, please do so right away so that you don't miss your opportunity. We have 4 more sessions, 2 full day, 2 half day, $150 a piece. Those are raising funds for our soon to be announced new project focusing on ALICE, Asset Limited Income Constrained Employed. Most of you have heard me talk about ALICE since we started working with ALICE 8 years ago, and the number of ALICE in our community continue to rise. Our poverty level stays about flat, but those struggling, those living paycheck to paycheck here in Door County, that number continues to rise. So behind the scenes, for the last solid year, but even before that, we've been working on coming up with a program to really focus on that population. So on March 18th, we'll be announcing what that is. March 18th is our annual meeting, and we did a social media post about that. We're going to get email invitations out yet this week now to those of you we have email addresses for. For those of you that we have only snail mail addresses for, those will also go in the mail before the end of this week. Everyone is invited, though, even if you don't get an invitation. We try to cut down on printing and postage costs by not mailing to all of our donors. But please know this is open to the community. March 18th in the evening at the mill, $20 per person. To RSVP, you can email info, INFO, at UnitedWayDC.com. Also, while I was gone, Golden Heart applications or nominations, I should say, closed. Kelly says we have about 40 of those. So super excited to see who was nominated. And then those are going to go off to our anonymous judges to do their review. I know we've had some sponsors step up already for that event. Thank you to those sponsors. Our Jeep run, John Jorns has been busy working on our Jeep run. The next one is for Stride. Stride is our school-based mental health program. Most of you have heard me talk about that, where we put a professional, someone who's a mental health provider, has their own office, but we take them to the school building. And they have office hours at a minimum 1 day per week in one of our public school buildings here on the mainland. For the island, we do that via telehealth so that it's secure, but those students are still receiving that same service. We know that mental health is on the rise, suicide rates are on the rise, and this program is so important. So May 10th, a Jeep run to benefit Stride this time. I think that's all the big announcements I have for today. And it's a short week for me, so I'll see you back here next Monday. Have a great week, everybody. Bye.